Hi everybody, this is Carmen with Garden Cult. It's winter. I hate winter. And I try to find ways to make it more bearable. So I'm going to share with you a recipe for a natural foot and bath soak that I make using really inexpensive, easy to find natural ingredients that will make you feel relaxed and de-stressed. Okay, so let's jump into the recipe. The base of the recipe for these bath salts is Epsom salt, which is good for muscle aches and strains, pink Himalayan sea salt, dried flowers or herbs or other botanicals, and essential oils if you wanted to have a good scent. 2 cups of Epsom salt, half a cup of sea salt. And then you have to decide which botanicals you want. I use about a tablespoon of each herb, a healthy tablespoon of each herb. And then I have to kind of incorporate all these different herbs in there. So this is kind of the finished product without any scent. In this particular recipe, I'm gonna put about 20 drops of tea tree oil. Sounds like a lot, but this is a good volume. I'm gonna mix it together like this, and I already can smell it and feel the oils on my hands, and it feels really, really good. Now I'm gonna share some tips and tricks for choosing the ingredients and for packaging. You wanna try to use organic or culinary quality herbs and oils, because even though you're not ingesting it, it's coming in contact with your skin. So try to choose the best ingredients that you can find. Now the way that I package it is in these 10-ounce plastic screw top containers. I like to use plastic around the bath because I don't like to have glass because it could shatter if you slip or you drop it. So I recommend using plastic. If you don't want to deal with particles in your bathtub after you're done and cleaning all that up, you can put it in a mini muslin bag. I also make my own little labels, which you can easily do. Little icons, little graphics, and then I attach them, but you can also just buy cool labels and attach them. I love to use washi tape, which is this cool Japanese tape. It comes in like tons of different colors and styles, and that's what I used on here to attach the labels. And then of course, the tiniest and cutest little scoops to include in there just to make it easy for the person to use, and it also looks really pretty. I want to share with you now some other herbs and essences and combinations that I like. Some people really don't like floral scents, so let me show you some other things that I like to use in the mixture. This is cedar that comes in bundles that you can burn for smudging. You can use this. You just have to really break it up into small pieces. Of course, lavender. It's a really strong scent, but very popular. And then peppermint, I find very soothing. And finally, eucalyptus. Now, if you use this eucalyptus, you have to run it through like a coffee grinder or some kind of grind, maybe the food processor, to break it up into small pieces, because this is kind of sharp. So ones that I like is eucalyptus, peppermint, and cedar. And then you can add a little bit of cedar oil, but what I like to add to it is bay rum, which is one of my favorite scents. And I really especially like this combo for foot soaks. And here is how it is all put together and packaged: cedar, eucalyptus, and mint. Thanks for watching. You can find me on Instagram at garden_cult. You can find this video and a lot more on Heritage Radio Network's YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.